Hello everyone, welcome back to BST African Electronic Surgery. And today, we're now approaching the end of the year, and we have a special guest that we have at our workshop today. I've bring a special guest for you guys just to say goodbye 2023, and we are now approaching the festive season. Christmas and New Year is coming, so I decided to bring special guest of the year, so that I will introduce the guest to you. She also introduced to the world. I know the platform is growing big day by day, and it's a good moment to say thank you. So I think I have to give a chance to greet all the audience. Say, how are you guys?
How are you guys?
Yeah, what is your name?
My name is Ashley Mosimbi.
Oh wow, Ashley, what a nice name. So what do we have to build today? We have this package. This package is coming from China, so we have to build a Christmas tree. So I decided to bring, that's my best friend. That's a friend of mine actually. So I decided to bring a friend of mine so that we can build a Christmas tree together, okay?
Yes.
So we're going to, are you ready to build a Christmas tree?
Yes.
Okay, so let's open and see what is inside here. We have to build a Christmas tree. Okay, so we have this plastic. Let's see what is inside. You know all these things?
No.
You don't know? Okay, so here we have many things. They come in pieces from China. We have so many boards. These are board, these are PCB boards. Say PCB boards.
PCB boards.
PCB boards for Christmas tree. Yeah? These are circuit, or we can just call circuit boards for Christmas tree. So we have the charger. This is the charger. You see this? That's the charger. We have this one. This one is called a DC motor. You see this?
Yes.
It's a DC motor.
DC motor.
And what is this? You know this?
No.
Okay. These are called LED lights.
Okay.
Say LED lights.
LED lights.
Okay. So we want to build all these things to make a Christmas tree. Here we have many components inside. Let's see what we have here. You see this? These are called resistors. Say resistors.
Resistors.
Yeah, these are called resistors. And what do we have more? We have, you see this?
Yes.
The touch one. These are called capacitors. Yeah, they are called capacitors. You see this?
Yes.
They are called electrolyte capacitors. You know how to pronounce electrolyte capacitor?
No.
Say electrolyte.
Electrolytes.
Capacitor.
Capacitor.
Alright. Let's put them here. We have this one is the charging port. You see this?
Yes.
This is a charging port. So we have to build a Christmas tree. Okay?
Yes.
Right. So what we are going to do, we have to start with this. We have to start with this board. The problem, they didn't bring like schematics so that we see the circuit, how the circuit is supposed to be built, but we'll try to find out the best way to build a Christmas tree with Ashley. We have a special guest today, so we have to be patient, guys, and try to build this together. Okay, so we have these circuit boards. You see these two?
Yes.
So what we are going to do, we are going to, let's take out these LEDs. These are bigger, these are smaller. All the LEDs, you see?
Yes.
So I think we need to start with these smaller ones. So, oh, many LEDs. So what we are going to do here is very simple. You see this LED?
Yes.
Oh, it has fallen. I don't worry. Let's take another one. You see this LED?
Yes.
It's got this side is longer.
Yes.
And this side is shorter.
Yes.
This one is minus and this one is the plus.
Okay.
So you see here is written LED 1, LED 12, LED, all these places there. We need to put these LEDs here. We need to put these LEDs just like this. You see?
Yes.
If we put it like this, what is the next step? If we put it like this, the next step, we have this. You know this?
No.
You don't know this?
Yes.
This is called a soldering iron. This is called a soldering iron. Huh?
Yes.
Don't worry about it. Let's use the other one. So this is called a solder. This is called a soldering iron. And what is this?
Wires.
Oh yeah, you are right. This is a wire, but it's called a soldering wire. Okay.
Yes.
So we are going to solder here like this, and we solder the other side like this. You see?
Yes.
Is it hard? Are you able to do this?
Yes.
You can do it. Okay. So okay, we need to be assured of the plus and minus. So we will solder all these LEDs together. So put one here. Yeah. No, the other side. No, like the longer side, the plus has to come down like that. Do it like that, and then we do this. Now hold the soldering iron. You have to hold it like this, like a pen. On the other end, you have to hold the wire and you do it like this. It's not harder. You have to do it like this. The other side. The other side. You see?
Yes.
So what we are going to do, we are going to solder all these things all on those walls, and then we test together.
Yes.
So what we are going to do, let's put all the components together, and then we'll test our Christmas tree. Let's see how hard it can be. Yeah, this electronic kit is time consuming. We spent like close to an hour with my guest trying to put all the components together, and finally that is our final product. You know, this electronic case is very cheap. I bought it from AliExpress, and it's less than $10. It's like $2 something. You have something like this. So yeah, it was a nice experience with my guest, because now she can solder some components. She can use a soldering gun. For the first time, I can't complain, because we managed to get something like this. So it's now time for testing. Are you ready to test?
Yes.
So you think this thing is going to work?
Yes.
Okay. How do you see it? Is it nice?
Yes.
It looks nice.
Yes.
So what do you want to do with this?
I want to show my parents.
You want to show your mom?
Yes.
Wow. She said she want to go with this Christmas tree and show to her mom. Yeah, that's my daughter. So it's now time for testing, huh? We have to test to see if what we've done with our new guest is working out. So we do have this 5 volts charger, and you plug into the charging port here. It's working. Huh? You see the colors?
Yes.
And the sound. It's nice, huh?
Yes.
So yeah, this is just a Christmas tree. Unfortunately, our Christmas tree is not rotating for the reason which I don't know. Probably the supplier sent us a fault motor. The DC motor seems to be not working. It's supposed to rotate, but we have sound, we have flashing disco lights. Yeah, this is beautiful. So yeah, that what we have for the audience at the end of the year. You know, we have a community with more than 1,000 subscribers, and I'm very proud of how the channel is growing. In less than 1 year, we have more than 1,000 subscribers, which is a very good thing. So we just found it a good moment to wish you all a nice holiday, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And we'll try to bring something better in the next year. So what do you want to say to subscribers?
Goodbye.
Subscribe for more videos.
Subscribe for more videos.
Oh, nice. Our guest is saying goodbye. Subscribe for more videos, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. And yeah, our Christmas tree is working fine. So if you are on the beginner side of electronics, you want to build some keys, it's nice to buy these things from AliExpress and build some components, build various things. That's the way how you learn electronics and you improve your soldering skill. So see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.